Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2025 Tricycle Camper, now available in the brand new brown edition. This is more than just a new color. It's a complete experience tailored for minimalists, adventurers, and anyone curious about life on the go with zero emissions. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a student on the move, or someone rethinking what freedom looks like, this might just change how you see travel. Let's begin with the visual impression. The brown edition introduces a deep matte tone that feels both warm and natural, almost like it was designed to disappear into a forest backdrop or blend seamlessly into desert tones. It's not a flashy or high-gloss paint job, and that's a good thing. It's understated, rugged, and earthy. A color that doesn't try too hard but still commands attention in its own quiet way. It's finished with UV protective coating, so it won't fade even under prolonged sun exposure. The trike's build quality is instantly noticeable. The main body of the camper is constructed from a reinforced lightweight aluminum alloy, which keeps the entire structure under 150 pounds, light enough to be towed or pedaled without requiring a special license in most places. The outer panels are made of weather-resistant composite material that can handle rain, sun, and even light snow. Every seam and joint is sealed tight, and the wheels use high-traction rubber designed for both city pavement and gravel trails. Moving around to Tahiwe, the back, you'll notice a small hatch-style door with a lockable latch. The entryway is wide enough for easy access, and there's even a pop-up mosquito net for warm nights when you want airflow without bugs. On the side, an optional canopy system can extend outward, offering shade or rain protection, ideal for cooking or relaxing outside. Once you step inside, it's hard to believe how much this tiny space offers. The interior layout is smart and modular. A single fold-out sleeping platform doubles as a seating bench during the day. There are two built-in cushions that store underneath the bed frame and lock into place with a simple folding mechanism. Above your head, a low-profile LED strip provides warm ambient light, powered entirely by the integrated rooftop solar panel system. On the opposite side of the bed, you'll find a compact kitchenette, minimalist but practical. It includes a collapsible silicone sink connected to a hand pump water tap and a 10-liter removable freshwater tank. There's a small counter surface, a cutlery drawer, and a designated slot for a one-burner butane stove. The surface is heat-resistant and easy to clean, making cooking in tight quarters much more manageable than you'd expect. Storage is another area where this camper surprises you. The designers have clearly thought this through. You'll find cubbies under the bed, soft fabric shelves above the windows, and even hidden compartments in the door for essentials like flashlights, chargers, or toiletries. There's also a side-mounted utility hatch that can hold extra gear, ideal for storing a folding chair, toolkit, or portable toilet if you're heading into the wild for longer stretches. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its off-grid readiness. The 75-watt rooftop solar panel charges a built-in lithium battery that powers the camper's interior lights, fan, and USB ports. You can easily top up your phone, camera, or tablet without needing to plug into the grid. There's also an optional 200-watt upgrade kit for those planning longer trips